How to resubscribe a customer on HubSpot. Easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to resubscribe a customer on HubSpot. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your HubSpot.com and you will log into your account. And this is where you will get. In our HubSpot, we have different options. What you guys need to do is you will go to the contact so that we can open up our contact list. Once you are here, you actually have to open up the contact for which you want to subscribe or the contact you want to resubscribe. So you will just open it up. Here you can see we have different options. And if it is a subscriber, then you can actually resubscribe or subscribe it right here when you edit a contact. So you can see right here we have these options. We can also add companies and deals, tokens, payments, and more. So what I can do is I can select, you can see a subscriber, click on save, and this way you will be able to subscribe and resubscribe different contacts on HubSpot. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.